can this LED light replace my expensive key light? Let me turn off my light first. I have turned out my LED light and now you're watching me through this Ulanzi LT003 RGB light. It's not bad, isn't it? Of course, it cannot replace my big softbox, but it has some cool features that are enough to press the buy button. Ulanzi LT003 comes with this box, and inside this box, you'll get the light, a USB cable, and documentation. The final dimension is exactly 10 inch by 6.5 inch, and inside this diffuser, there are 70 pieces of white LED, 70 pieces of yellow LED, and 126 pieces of RGB, which can produce 320 lux brightness at 1 meter of distance. Though it's not that powerful, it's usable for close talking headshot with a faster lens or a small product shot or as a fill light. On the left side there is a power knob, and on the bottom side you will see the quarter 20-inch tripod thread, and here you'll see a Type-C port, and it has an 8000 mAh battery which can take about 6 hours to fully recharge the light with a 5-volt 2A adapter. On the back side you will see 4 buttons that can be used to control the light. Here you will see a display where you can see all the necessary information. When you are using the light in CCT mode, you can go from 2500 to 9000 Kelvin. The intensity can go down as low as 1%. The CRI value of this light is 95 plus, which is great for video content shooting. In RGB mode, you can control the hue, saturation, and then there is a effect mode. It has 20 effects mode that can be very useful if you're making short film or any creative video. At max brightness, you can use this light for almost 2 hours, which is not bad for a light of this size. This light is good for accent lighting. I use this light in my studio in RGB mode to give my space a bit more character. Also, this light can be used as a fill light. The thing I don't like about this light is the buttons. The button doesn't feel good to me, and also when you're adjusting the light from this side, the buttons are not fillable. You cannot fill the button. So if I can fill the button, that would be great. Or I prefer a physical knob or dial to tune up the brightness or the hue settings. They have a smaller light that had those options. The quarter 20 mount feels a bit compromised to me. I'll not hang this light from above like this, but on a light stand, if you attaching the light vertically, it's very solid. Another thing is the power. The power can feel a bit low compared to the light size. Then again, the price. You cannot complain too much for the price. I'll add my affiliate link in the description. So if you want to buy this light, you can click the link in the description. So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video or learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you need this channel, want to learn about video editing or filmmaking gears, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more video like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.